Before I feed, I try to get it going, especially before I get close to fly season and stuff, get it going to where they just come and pick it out of your hands. That's the one, that's a good one right there. The best one so far. They're all good though. Oh, and then grit, you gotta give them stuff called grit. I already got it in there though. But it's just like pebbles, like rocks, little tiny rocks. That's good for them, and they should grind up their food and whatnot when they eat it. These guys, beautiful. What's up, Benny? Mr. Beans.